如果在时代我没能。靠近你的我。
Tell if a cat is playing or fighting. Ears straight up mean the cat is playing, but the second they go horizontal, it's time to keep your distance. Cats invite playtime by assuming a submissive position. Aggressive cats will stand on all fours and appear tense. Like many other animals, cats will try to make themselves look bigger when agitated. Flat fur is a good sign. Never get between two fighting cats. If things are getting a little too heated, clapping your hands should break the tension.
Ways to make a cat like you. Don't stare at them in the eyes. Many cats find this threatening. Try instead to blink slowly or give them sleepy eyes. This communicates affection in cat. Pet them the way they like to be pet. In studies, cats have the most negative response to being touched around their tails, so stick to areas where they have facial glands, like the base of their ears, under their chin, or around their cheeks. Above all, don't force it. Cats have been proven to enjoy human interactions more when they initiate it, so it's okay to play hard to get.
当你出现在我的身边，世界不再是。愿你对这个世界温柔以待。
咪咪。哎呀！咦呦呦呦！
Look. Mimi.
Good job. Good job.
Competition, and I've never cooked jerk chicken before that.
Hehehe